How to search messages and files in Slack. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the channel and then click on three dots at the top right. Here, click on Search and Channel. After you click on Search and Channel, you'll find Search bar pop up. Simply type in the message you want to search. And then on the right side, you'll find the results. And if you click on the message, it will lead you to that message on the left side. And if you want to search for files, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen again. Click on Open Channel Details. Then scroll down in here, you'll find Files. Here, you'll find all the files available in the channel. You can simply click on the file and go through it as well. This is how to search messages and files in Slack. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.